megalayapost.news.
Dakajingi terlang UMLA ke Jirang Konstitusi ubah asas setun ke NPP Jirang Blong mentaksi kalau pelong dakajing ku burom ya kisamla bapas bah haka SSLC examination arajar pesan naga bentak itu kisamla ibahap haka umling si dari Blong haka negasingi lap ku burom ru ya baro ki principal jong ki school kabade kijing penslur halor kijing pas bah ki kena school ya kana kijing ku burom lap pelong ha parish hall ka Saint Francis Assisi bernihat parish haka bau Rupert Momin chairman ka Meghalaya New and Renewable Energy Development Agency baru MLA ka Kharkuta ulawan bersimenta kumukongsan baru ba sabio bla District School Education Officer Kariboy kumusembut kongsan lasaki lang ruah kini kesingi dak jindon lang ubah sesen setun kum MLA bat MDC ke Jirang Konstitusi harengkat ke jing simenta kita kisemla pule ki kimi kipa kino hikai ki principal bat kuwe rong ba nakal yang ke NPP Jirang Blok nalor bakapuku burom ya kisemla pule bapas bahaga SSLC badru ya ki principal hakan kesingi kalapuku Romru ya kekong wan monti mai marbanyang kabadi ke presiden bertemai jong ke NPWF Riboy District.
Students right from 2018 after being elected as the MLA of Ten Jirang Constituency and it's through the committee which is helping each other to make this program a success, and in previous years we used to have the whole constituency at the same time. We have two blocks, Umling block and Jirang block. But this time, so many students have successfully succeeded in your SSLC examination. So we have to organize the program in two parts. Umling block for the Jirang constituency and then Jirang block for the people for the students of our constituency. Di ngasogmen hak pangyo ban yadon kenalang maka komite kepala simpia kumpu local MLA kumlo ban yo ban encourage ya the students how to encourage our dear young students who have successfully passed the recent SSLC examination. And as we used to always encourage the young ones, now for the class 10 students, we always encourage you be at the top. If you're reaching, the committee has always prepared, arranging. If you are reaching for the top 20, you'll be getting the laptop and it's okay, this year we are not, but I hope that next year, anyone, or maybe 10 or 15 will be getting the position in the top 20. So I am encouraging you, each one of you, as the local MLA, and I hope the programs in facilitating all the pass-out students, taking the lead by the felicitating committee. I hope that all the members will focus more on the students' community so that we will see education in our constituency and our district as well as the state. It will improve from one day to another. My dear students, I'll just read two lines, not 2 lines, 3, 4 lines which I've written while sitting there. No matter what percentage you achieve, but remember that every achievement has to be accepted once you have worked hard on your studies. Always remember to look forward for new mission and ambition so that you will succeed in your life.
Generation. Then hard power, we talk about America, Western countries. We talk about Russia and the Asian giant country like China. They use the hard power to conquer to snatch the territory of others. Now we talk about soft power. The global community talk about soft power. What is soft power? As you said, we have unity and diversity. In Riboy district, place like Jira, constituency like Jira, we have so many nationality, so many tribes. Our country is so much diverse, but we are united and make us one nation. My dear friends, soft powers is attraction foreign policy. India is known for pluralistic government, unity and diversity. As in pre-independence era, we have our distinguished personages like Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi is a person who used satyagraha and non-violence, and through these tools, he freed India from colonial rule. And another person like Rabindranath Tagore, he has a very rich in literature, music and dance, and through this, he improved through his music and dance and literature, he equaled the country, and as a result, the global community accepted. My dear friends, we have rich culture, customs, tradition, costume, and history attracted by the global community. Our Bollywood film star like Big B, Amitabh Bachchan, and Shahrukh Khan, and a singing sensation like Lata Mangeshkar, who has sung more than 50,000 songs in different languages, and she considered to be the melody of India. Through the soft power of India, our own people also contributed, like Shillong Chambers of Poem, that is Indian Works Honor. We will. And also, we have Indian Idol Season 3. Our boy from Shillong, Amit Kaur, he sung, and his singing is equal throughout the country and throughout the world. These are the soft power. We have globalization and liberalization. When globalization and liberalization introduced through our country during the regime of late Narasimha Rao. And we are afraid that the vulgar and the KFC and Starbucks will flood in the Indian market. But our deep-rooted for the custom and tradition will never blow up by the Western culture and tradition. And at the same time, we have a very famous cuisine like local jado and nakamechi and pani puri and chole bhature. And we have seen the Bhangra dance, which is very famous throughout the globe. These are the soft power that India has. And we are, just now we have seen our boys and girls who dance and sung. India is a diverse nation but united and unity and diversity. So we are in a diverse nation but united in one nation. That is manifested just now through the students. It's a very, very excited to be here in your midst, and I'm thinking from today with Basukun will have some exchange program with my people, especially in sports like football and cricket and volleyball. I'll bring my youth here, and he will take his mule to my constituency so that we can have some exchange program among the youth. Friends, education is very, very important. In this millennium era, education is immense importance in our lives. A world without education is a world that is ill relative. Education is all about gathering knowledge and developing reasoning skills to make good judgment. Education provides fundamental skills including critical thinking, collaborations, and creativity. It builds confidence in one's ability, which is crucial for achieving personal and professional growth and making informed decisions. A good education opens doors to better career prospects and economic stability, enabling individuals to improve their quality of life. Once you have good education, good knowledge, there is no boundary. You can go anywhere. You can work anywhere. Education equips people with the knowledge to understand and tackle pressing issues such as social change, social inequalities, and healthcare disparity. As the highest priorities for long-term development of education, this vision has translated into continued investment and reforms that expand access and improve quality and create new pathway for learning.
Meghalaya Post.news.